Yes, my people. Why so much people are bashing the Canadian Farmer Program when all this program do is give us the chance to elevate ourselves from poverty? Over the years, I've been hearing people bashing the program like it's slavery. Come on. The program done a lot for Jamaican, Mexican, Guatemalan, Indian, Trinidadian, so much people right across the globe. This program has been given a chance to accomplish things. Yeah, man. This program is a good program. I want to say maximum respect to each and everyone who organized this program between Canada, Jamaica, between Canada, Mexico, between Canada, Guatemala, between Canada and Trinidad, between Canada and India. Maximum respect to the people who organize this program. When you come here, so you have to just work smart. Boss, you can't tell you anything. Oh, speed, more speed. Just you have to smart in your head. I know you never sign one contract for 1,000. You have to just come here, so work smart. Just make sure you always at work and don't linger upon the boss job. That's it. Boss free to say whatever you want to say. You can't send you home because you're not go 100. Maybe more 100 and you go 90. And then the next day if you say every man come on the program, get bun. And sometimes my people when I'm talking to my people and not get them a get in a bun them a bun up. Oh God man, all a big limb they bunchy. Look at this guys. Look there. Look there man. Oh God man. Look there my people. Look at them bunchy guys. Look there man. Look at them bunchy. Farmer no look pan cherry. Jamaican no look pan cherry. Mexican no look pan cherry. Guatemala no look pan cherry. Indians no look pan cherry. Cherry they have to pick this year man. Cherry! Go pan cherry. Oh God man. One cherry my people. Look at so. Go pan cherry. Cherry man, cherry there. Cherry! Good morning. Back in the cherry orchard this morning, my people. Look right around. Cherry. Yeah man, we're back on the cherry picking this morning, my people. And we're back in a new field. Not really. These tree behind me is old tree. What them do? Them shoot down couple tree and replant back some tree. So with them on the new tree them first time them a pick as well. I sure know I go on people. Yeah man, so I tree them this. If you know about tree, you can see some young tree. Look, these are some young tree guys. Yeah man, them just start trying to reach the full height. So the scene I middle. Just all about young springing and reach so far up in the row over maybe 100 feet. And this is all I got so far, my people. So you must know, say. You're sure no. So the cherry them look on the tree, one, you know. So them look, you look on that limb, no cherry. You look on that limb, no cherry. You look, see it just one. I'm pouring a play if you pop them off, you know. Yeah man, cherry in a basket, watch how I go on. Yeah man, so we out here deep with people, you know. We not complain, work we work, as long as we get paid. And them three are now my people. in this block, you need no leather until you go over on that side. So, show no how go on, you know. Yeah, man, no go and stay and full dry the video, my people. Yeah. Easy job today. Job easy. We just walk on foot today and pick some cherry. Watch. Why, my people? It's a good look for cherry this season, guys. Good look. I'm like to show no what go on, you know, my people. Yeah, man. I like to. I couldn't know what go on. So I'm going to show no what go on again. Boy, I just love to see the cherry them, my people. Yeah? Because the more cherry, the more Jamaican. You know? Yeah, man. The more Jamaican I go forward up, guys. Pre-war go. Boy, I just love to see cherry them, you know, guys. Cherry for days, man. Can't stop showing you guys. Look at that. Cherry, man. Cherry they have a pick. Alright, Jamaican, no forward up, no forward up. Cherry, man. Cherry. A load of variety and already yet. You know? Already yet, my people. Nice centennial, you know? Cherry for days. Right up the line, man. Right up there. Cherry, man. Cherry for days. Look what I go on. 24 basket hole in I bin, my people. Now we have, let me say, 3, 6, 12, 14, 16. You know? 16 basket in there already. Sun arise, my people. Alright guys, I just swirl alone having cherry, you know. Up on cherry. Feel jealous now, I feel like I feel pick a big bunch, you know, guys. Alright. See how far reach up in a full row. The other guys them the weird, as I see you can't see them, you know. And look how far we there. I come across one of them rope. I nah treat the game, you know, guys. I see all them big bunch and I get jealous. I nah cheat the game, guys. I go play fair. I nah play the unfair game, you know. Pan full row. Full row soft mouth, man. Soft out, my people. Watch it. See, not cherry, son. Not cherry. You don't see a cherry. Watch. Not cherry. Pan this all the tree, so now. Oh, one. Tree, one. I spin back on the other guys, bro. Look on this tree now. Look on cherry. Cherry there, so like a whoa, man. Still I go and ride and whistle up in my row. You know? That is it. Alright, my people, look what I go on. I say new feel. Yeah, man, so much tree. Couple tree well now, van. Not cherry. Now one line I go along, son. Not cherry. Finally, me book one. We have on some cherry. And I just night up. Watch. That's why I want to leave this up.
Say 15 grand.
Yeah, man. Boy, guys, every time I look across the road, my people, I have to show no where I go on because I just feel like I want to pick them in on my people. Luckily, I want different variety. Just gonna have to pick some basket this morning, my people. Look on cherry, man. Watch how you look them fat up. Oh God, man, all that big limb, they bunchy. Look at this, guys. Look there. Look there, man. Oh God, man. Every time I see there. Look there, my people. Look how limb them bunchy, guys. Look there, man. Look how them bunchy. Farmer no look pan cherry. Jamaican no look pan cherry. Mexican no look pan cherry. Guatemala no look pan cherry. Indians no look pan cherry. Cherry they have a pick this year, man. Cherry! Go pan cherry. Oh God, man. One cherry, my people. Look at so. Coupon cherry. Cherry man, cherry there, cherry. What the runcus? Yo. Yo. Man. Up. Jerry. And beside fully there with Mexicans, Guatemalans.
Migo.
Yeah man.
Migo.
Migo, stas.
¿En español? Inglés.
Español.
Español.
Only English.
Oh.
No comprende.
Ya.
Yeah.
Go.
Sure. Yes, my people. We are head home. We just come finish complete one. The field, guys. Come this morning to 8 hours. Come back today to 3 hours. Complete the field, so we are head out. Let's see. I'm escalator up par. In the meantime, yeah. Yeah, man. Up we go.
We go.
Yeah, man. Say big up Jamaica. Big up Jamaica.
Jamaica. Guatemala.
Yeah, man. That is it.
Go.
ackee and saltfish, cabbage, dumpling, Hercules. Hercules plate. Yes, my people, it's a rainy day. This is what we wake up to. So no work this morning. So I know say cherry field is below the yard. So you know say cherry them wet up my people. And draw go on. Every cherry wet up, so you know later from now you can look out to see the helicopter, you know, guys. I come blow cherry as soon as the rain cut. And as soon as the rain cut, my people, well, I know I see cherry them on the tree too, you know. Redness, that's the cherries. So you know as soon as the rain cut down, they might get blow. Yeah man, drone at work, my people. It's a big drone but too small still, you know. The rain constantly fall, so say that helicopter, I'm just use a drone to get rid of the water from the cherry, but to be honest, it's too small.